Hey guys, welcome back to Outdoors Fishing Life. My name is Christian. Today is a very special day. It's Easter weekend, and as you can see behind me, we've loaded up the trailer and we're gonna start our journey road trip today. So we're super excited about that. Stay tuned to watch our trip. We're gonna journey from NorCal to Vegas to Lake Powell, Arizona, Utah. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun trip. Let's go. Hey guys, we finally made it. It's been a long trip, but we finally made it. And as you can see, we're entering Arizona, but we're actually staying on the Utah side, which is right behind me. And it's on the Utah side, which is just a stone throw away to Arizona. But we're just gonna go into Arizona to pick up some supplies before we come back to Lonerock here and camp stay on the beach. So here, we're gonna have a good time. Let's go. Stay tuned. Hey, good morning, everybody. So it's our first day. We made it to Lonerock, and it's gorgeous out here. Let me give you guys a little view, sneak peek of the lake right there. So check it out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we have a full house here. At least there we go. Yeah. So this place is called Lonerock. It's one of the most famous spots out here in Lake Powell. And it's gonna be our home for the next 2 days or 3 days. We have a bunch of activities lined up, but this is what we came for, guys. Lake. Sorry about my generator. It's making some noise out there, but I wanted to film this really quick before we start getting ready. We have our first adventure for today, kayaking. So we gotta go pick up the kayaks. They're about maybe 30 minutes away in Page, Arizona. And we're actually in the Utah side of the lake. But it's gorgeous out here, guys. Got my fishing license yesterday, so you know I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing out here, a little bit of bank fishing. They said here they're gonna have bass, striped bass, and catfish. For some reason, no trout. Being from California, I'm used to just being a whole bunch of trout everywhere in every single lake, but I guess here in Lake Powell, no trout. But let's go. Let's get ready for our adventure. Let's go. Let's go measure them on the little minnow crankbait. Let's get it off there. Barely hooked on the lip. I'm gonna have to get my pliers. All right. I think we got a decent sized one here. Oh, this might be a keeper. Oh, ooh, that's a nice one. Is that a catfish? Yes, a catfish. Oh no, it's a striper. Ooh, that's a nice one. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. Hooked right on the lip. Beautiful. He bit on the worms. All right. Oh, you know what? Let's get the pliers on this bad boy. All right. Come on, you. What are you giving me a hard time for, huh? There we go. Yeah. Good 20-incher. Let's get a measure tape, Tony.
Huh?
Let's get the measurement.
Safe? Okay, safe.
You think it's 28?
28?
Yeah.
No, it's not 20. You said everything again is normal.
Well, not anymore. There's no
It's
size
like
limit.
24, 23, 22.
All right.
I can keep this?
This one, don't tell any. All right, guys, we're gonna unhook this guy, but the other ones, we put them back. This one, we're gonna keep it. It's a 22-incher, and I just called and verified that actually there's no size limit in Lake Powell. So we're gonna keep this beauty right here. Dad's gonna make lunch for us, and this is awesome. So let's take a look. Let's clean.
What is the yellow one like?
Oh my
this?
Alright, so this is a keeper. It's about similar size as the previous one that I caught. That one, I put it back. We had to cut the video short of that one because my dad actually got hooked with a treble hook, and we had to perform emergency surgery on that. So now we got our redemption here, and we're gonna let him cook this bad boy for us. All right, so let's go.
Dad, let me see your finger. Show your finger. Put your finger like this for the camera. Look. Right.
Alright, so we're back from a beautiful day of jet skiing, and now it's gotten dark on me, but we're right next to the lake, so I still got a couple hours before I call it quits. I baited. Lake Powell has a lot of striped bass, so I baited some frozen anchovy, and something tiny has been nibbling and pulling and basically just tearing it apart. So hopefully I'm going to try to rebait and try to catch something before we go to bed tonight. See what we can do. Supposedly at night is when the bite is supposed to be on, so we'll give it another hour and a half, and then see how it goes. All right, stay tuned. Feels good, but you never know. Alright, guys, good morning. Checking my lines this morning. Don't feel
guys just ate up my bait. Anchovies. And, you know, nothing big came along, obviously, so I'm gonna rebait that. See, we can do a little bit of fishing before we head out to the boat.